America's most renowned investor, Warren Buffett, used a baseball analogy to describe how he picks his stocks. Picture yourself in the batter's box. And each pitch is a stock being presented to you. Only swing when the stock is in your strike zone. And tune out the hecklers is his advice. Well, since the inception of my videos, I've pitched several stocks to you. In my very first video on June 6th, I pitched B2 Gold, Algonquin, US Foods, Chewy, and Waste Management. Then on September 4th, I talked about Palantir. And finally, on October 23rd, I talked about FUBOTV. Hopefully, you're swinging and hitting some home runs, but stay tuned after the bumper for more information.
Get the money. Get the money.
Well, I've studied another company that plans to issue their stock for the first time soon. They would call themselves an iBuyer and describe themselves as technologically enabled. A one-stop shop for homeowners who want to sell quickly and have as little interruption in their daily process as possible. I would describe them as a home flipper since they buy houses, refurbish them, then sell them within 100 days usually. This company is being backed by SoftBank and they're poised to grow. Zillow, Pad and Redfin are their competitors. Opendoor is the name of the company and they sold over 19,000 houses in 2019. Their process is very easy. Sellers can go to their website, put in minimal information regarding their home, and get an instant price for the value of their home as well as an offer for the purchase of their home. Note that today, traditional real estate companies like Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Metro Brokers are also able to offer these types of services. They had not been able to do so in the past. However, Opendoor's model is not necessarily to buy low and sell high. Instead, they charge slightly higher commission fees to the sellers of the homes. Usually, standard commission fees range anywhere from 3 to 6%, but in the case of Opendoor, those fees are easily between 6 and 9%. More than half of Opendoor's sales from 2019 came from Raleigh, Dallas, Phoenix, and Atlanta. Low interest rates and buyers' desires to have more space is fueling the housing market. Moreover, the pandemic validates Opendoor's model because the seller doesn't have to have any buyers in their homes, nor do they have to complete any repairs. Opendoor's value as an IPO is believed to be around $13.5 billion. This is eye-popping since they've lost over $900 million since they were founded in 2014. Additionally, their revenue is scheduled to be 50% of what it was in 2019 since they had to suspend purchases during the pandemic, and they even had to lay off a third of their staff. Revenue is not expected to fully recover until 2022. But Opendoor sees themselves as Bitcoin of 2012, Amazon of 2015, or Tesla in 2016. Their IPO will be unique. Their IPO will be created with a merger with a special purpose acquisition company, also known as a SPAC. This particular company was created by a former executive at Facebook. Note that Opendoor's gross profit for 2019 was $300 million. However, if you subtract financing costs, utility bills, property taxes and selling costs, only $27 million remained. But if you take this a step further and subtract marketing, salary, rent, legal, and technological fees, they lost about $20,000 per home. However, Opendoor believes its profit margin will increase once it starts selling additional services like title insurance, escrow, and mortgage service fees. And they plan to have better wholesale pricing on building materials as they begin to refurbish more and more homes. Despite these slight drawbacks, Wall Street stands to make billions of dollars off this company. As always, the data that's being provided is informational and also entertainment. You need to make sure that you do your research so you can validate that this is the right investment for you and your family. As always, if you like information like this, please hit that like button, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that you can get future videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and get the money.